Hi everyone, it's Kali time. I'm here with my friends Melmida, Peñaplor, and Saplan. We're here at Mali celebrating Angela's 18th birthday. The venue is really nice, and also the food is so delicious. Along with that, we got a souvenir which is a bag and it's color pink, and I really like it. The flow of her debut are really nice. Here's some videos of it.
Paikot-ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli. Aaminin ko pa, o baka bigla lang mawala kung ano mang pumapagitan sa ating dalawa. Naisip mo ba sa mga oras na tayo'y magkasama, kung ano tayo sa buhay ng isa't isa? Ikot-ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli.